Okay, beta. Because of these reason, we are going to make any new partners. That reason is what, beta? The reason is we are needed more and more capital. We are needed new person, new technical person. For that, we are taking the new partner. But this is the not matter for our accounting. For our accounting, what things we are doing to done in our accounting on the time of any partner admit. Okay, beta? On the time of any partner admit. Okay, clear? Thus, see, when new partner is entered, just think about that. If you are going to enter in any partnership, you are as a new partner, Mr. B. So then what things you needed from the firm? You need sharing profit sharing. Okay, capital. Okay, and then you needed to enter in a business, seeing to just all the things in the business. These are your expectation for the firm. And same way the old partner will be B, A, and C. See, they needed what? They needed capital from the new partner. Okay, they want new profit sharing ratio. These are the things that will come on the time of admission of any new partner. These are the things that will come on the time of admission of new partner. When any partner will admit in the firm, so sure and certain old partner is needed, capital, and one more thing, that is the goodwill. Why they want the capital from the new partner? This Mr. A and B, these are the old partner, and C are the new partner. They needed from the C one, capital or saying cash, and second one is the cash, and second they want the goodwill also. I think you well know the goodwill. Why they want the goodwill? Because if they are going to take the new partner in business, they are going to take the profit on this situation. Because when these two are starting the business, on that time that business is not getting the profit. Okay, just business start from the zero. But nowadays that business is getting the profit and new partner is coming in the business. They are just taking the profit on this stage. So for the stage of zero to this on which new partner is coming, they want goodwill. Maybe that in a cash or not. Maybe that in a cash or not. But they want what? They want goodwill and cash, both. They want goodwill and cash, both. So these are things that needed by the old partner from new partner. And now we are going to take what things needed by the new partner from old partners. They need his sharing of profit. They need to see the all books of accounting. They need to just enter in the business. These are the needs. Now we are going to start our accounting system when the new partner is coming. When the new partner is coming, so before the taking of this new partner, some things that we are going to take. First, we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, and then second, revaluation account. These two things we are going to make on the time of new partner entered. Okay, beta. Other thing is old. Then capital and other things we are going to adjust now. When new partner is entered the business, then on that time we are going to close our all accounting, because that partner is coming with the new year accounting. Okay, beta. All balancing. As like that, A and B are partners. Okay, C is entered, so they are not entered in the mid time, beta. They are entered in the last period, the last month of ending of that accounting. So then we are going to close our accounting, then close our things, distribute, then we are take the new partner in business, and then again after the entering of new partner, we are going to start the business. On the time of entering any new partner, we are going to do this all adjustment. Okay. So first thing is new profit sharing ratio. Okay. This is first new profit sharing ratio. Now we are going to start with the new profit sharing ratio. Mainly four situations is there. Mainly four situations from the entering of new partner. Okay. First is he is coming and taking his ratio in ratio base or average base. Okay, beta, new partner is coming and his take his ratio, his profit sharing ratio in average base or ratio base. Or if we are talking about trick, so don't, if nothing given in a question, so then we are just thinking it's the average base. Okay, so first base is average base. Just see how we are solved. Maybe A and B are the partner, C entered, A and B are the partner, C entered from 1 by 4, and here 2 is to 3. Okay, then first case, nothing in telling in a question or average base. Okay, beta, nothing is telling in the question or average base. If these are given, how we are going to solve? Firstly, 1 is what, beta? This 1 is the whole profit of the firm. Okay, that whole thing is called 1. The whole profit is the 1, and first we are going to less the ratio of new partner. Beta, 1 is the whole, then we are going to less the ratio of new partner, 1 upon 4, then 3 upon 4. Okay, beta, 1 is the whole profit, and from this profit we are going to less 1 upon 4, then 3 upon 4. Now this 3 upon 4 will distribute in a whole part. Okay, just see, A share 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5, 2 upon 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, then B share 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 5. 6 upon 20, 9 upon 20. Just set down ratio A, B, C. 6 upon 20, 9 upon 20, and 1 upon 4. Then multiply 5, beta. Multiply 5, then is 20. I think is no. You will know, beta. Without the equaling of the stars, think we are not check the ratio. Then 6 upon 20, 9 upon 20, and 5 upon 20. It means ratio is 6 is to 9 is to 2. So, beta, clear? Clear or not? How we are going to calculate this? Clear, beta? Everyone? Okay. Let's see one more. Five is to 3. Then first 1 minus 1 upon 5. It means 1 is the whole profit. First we are going to less the new partner ratio from the profit, and then the remaining profit will distribute in an old partner. 1 is what? 1 is the whole profit less 1 upon 5, then 4 upon 5. It's clear now, beta? 4 upon 5. Then A share 4 upon 5 into 5 upon 8. B share 4 upon 5 into 3 upon 8. 12, 40. Set it. A, B, and C. 12 upon 40. And then 1 upon 5 into 8. Beta, why are we taking 8? Because we are going to make this 40. Then 40, 12, and 8. 5, 3, and 2. Okay, beta? Clear? How we are making this clear or not? Clear, na? Okay. It means when in question they are saying in the basis of ratio or average, new partner taking his ratio in average base or in his own ratio, then we are going to take this system, or nothing is given in the question. One is given A and B are coming and C is taking his ratio. Okay, these two ways given in the question, then we are going to utilize this system. Okay, then go for the second. Equal. If in a question they are saying take equal from the both partner. Okay, they are saying take equal from the both partner. Then what we are doing? Just see. Equal beta. A and B are partners. C 1/4. 3:2. Okay. Then what is saying? He is going to take equal from the both partner. Equal from the both partner. So if they are going to take the equal from the two partner, then we are going to just take the part of 2. It's not. It's like that. 80 rupees you are going to take from the 2%. Then divide by 2. 40, 40. If take by the 4%, then divide by 4. 20, 20. By that beta we are doing. Same thing is here. C will take his ratio from odd partner, and odd partner number of odd partner is 2 only. If 3, to divide, then divide by 3. If 4, then divide by 4. If 5, then divide by 5. How many partner is there? We are going to take divide by up to that number. But here only 2 partners. Okay, beta? Only 2 partner. 2 partner divide by 2. 1/8 and 1/8. So divide by 2. 1/8 and 1/8. And this 1/8 will less from A, and this 1/8 will less from B. So beta, if the equal case is given, the partner, new partner is taking his ratio from equally from the old partner. This type of thing is given in the question. Then we are going to utilize this system. Okay, clear? Then what we are doing? A share 3/5 minus 1/8. B share 2/5 minus 1/8. Here 40, 40. 24, 5. 16, 5. 19, 40. 11, 40. 19/40. 11/40 and 1/4 into 10. It means 19 is to 11 is to 10. So beta. Okay? Clear? How to calculate? When equal case is given. When in the question they are given, new partner take his ratio equally. New partner take his ratio from old partner equally. This type of case is given, then we are going to utilize this system. Okay, beta? Okay, go for one more. From the same thing. A, B, C, 3 are our partner. D is coming from 1/5. Okay. 5:3:2 ratio. Then here, what we are doing, beta? Here 3 partners there. I am going to take the equal. It means divide by 3. Means 1/15, 1/15, 1/15. Okay. Divide by 3 will multiply. I think you will know. 1/3/3. It means it will multiply on the 5. 1/15, 1/15, 1/15. Okay. Clear? Now going to calculate the new ratio. A share 5/10 minus 1/15. B share 3/10 minus 1/15. C share 2/10 minus 1/15. 30, 30 and 30. Again 3 times 15 minus 2, 3 times 9 minus 2, 3 times 6 minus 2. It means 13 upon 30, 7 upon 30, 4 upon 30, 13 upon 30, 7 upon 30, 4 upon 30, 1 upon 5, 6. Multiply by 6, beta. Then 13 is to 7 is to 4 is to 6. It's a new profit sharing ratio. Beta, it's a new profit sharing ratio in A, B, C, D. These two systems is finished. When they are going to take in ratio, and second, when they are going to take equal. Okay, beta? Clear? Now, third and fourth are the mixed line. Just see, A and B are partner. C in third, 1 by 4, 3 is to 2. Okay? In third case, if they are given the special ratio for taking his profit, okay? If they are given, new partner is going to take from old partner 3 is to 2. Okay? 3 is to 2 from old partners. Okay? It means C will get third part of his ratio from A and second part of this ratio from whom? B. As like that. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. C will get 3 by 5 of 1 by 4 from A, 2 by 5 of 1 by 4 from B. Okay, beta? On this way, if the question is given like that, okay, then what we are doing? First, we are going to divide this 1 by 4 is in 3 is to 2. Okay? First, for A part, 1 by 4 into 3 upon 5. For B part, 1 by 4 into 2 upon 5. 3 upon 20, 2 upon 20. Okay? Then this will be less from A and that will be less from B. Then A share 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 20. B share 2 upon 5 minus 2 upon 20. Then 20, 12 minus 3, 20, 8 minus 2. 9 upon 20, 6 upon 20, 6 new ratio, 9 upon 20, 6 upon 20 and 1 upon 4 into 5, 9 is to 6 is to 5. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta? Clear? Then see one more last fourth. Fourth, A and B is given, C ratio is not given. Okay, C ratio is not given. 3 is to 2. He A surrender 1 by 4, B surrender 1 by 5. For whom? From C. Okay, beta? A surrender 1 by 4 and B surrender 1 by 5 from C. Okay, it means C total is what amount is coming by surrendering by A and what amount is coming by surrendering by B. If you are going to totaling that, then C part is coming. Just like if you take like a money, they have the 100 rupees and here 70 rupees. He is surrendering 40 rupees and he is renting 20 rupees. The total of 60 rupees from whom? See? But here the ratio. We are going with the ratio. First, we are going to calculate A surrender 3/5 into 1/4. B surrender 2/5 into 1/5. 3/20. 2/25. Okay, both will add 3/20 and 2/25. Then C ratio 100, 15, 8, 23/100. Now we are going to calculate A ratio and B ratio. For A share 3/5 minus 3/20 and B share 2/5 minus 2/25. Okay, then it's a 20. 12 minus 3, 10 minus 2, 9/20, 8/25. The set 9/20, 8/25, and his new ratio is 23/100. Multiply by 5, multiply by 4. Then 45/100, 32/100, 23/100. New ratio is 45, 32, 23, A, B, C. On this way, we are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio on the different things. Okay, beta? Or different situation, we are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay? Clear? Okay.